What's up? What's up? What's up, my peeps? Today I'll be doing a cornbread. No, I've never used this Indian style of cornmeal. I am so used to the Jamaican style refined cornmeal, so your girl will be sieving everything. I will drop my ingredients in the description box, and I also have another cornbread recipe out on my channel. I will drop it in the description box, where I use the Jamaican style refined cornmeal and I loved it. Stay with me on this one. I'm experimenting because I love to. So I'm using 2 cups Indian hemp, and I'll be making my own buttermilk. So to make your own buttermilk, I use some lemon juice and some regular milk. Now, once you mix this, it will curdle a little. It is good. I'm making my own buttermilk. So I used 2 cups of that Indian hemp cornmeal, which the grains are a little bigger. And even if this does not turn out well, I will still show my video. I added some baking powder, some baking soda, a little salt, and I used a little hint of sugar. 2 large eggs and some melted butter. Now, this cornmeal, as I mentioned, I've never used it before. The grains are bigger. It's a little heavier than the cornmeal that we're used to. So with my 1/2 cup flour, I am mixing this in, and I did use a little cinnamon, and I use a 1/4 teaspoon of white salt in this. Here my milk started to curdle, so I added it. You can use water if you choose to, or they do sell cornbread in the box, in the jiffy box, where you can make it yourself. I've done it before and it came out really good with the Jamaican style cornmeal that we are used to, the refined one. So I beat my 2 eggs and I'm adding all my liquid in. Then I'll fold this in. You don't want to over mix your batter also. Then I'll be adding my melted butter. In the meantime, I lit my oven to 450 degrees to heat it. And then I'll be adding a little butter in a skillet, adding it in my oven to melt. Then I will remove it. There's my skillet. I'm adding some butter. Then I'll add it in my oven to heat. It's now heated. I took it out and I'll be adding my mixture in it. Once my mixture starts baking, then I'll add additional melted butter on it, and I'll also add a little honey on it. I bake this in my oven for 20 minutes. This is the outcome of it, and I'm adding additional butter on it to melt.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the
You can also rub the butter on once it's still warm.
and I do. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Once I spread the butter on it evenly, I added some honey on it whilst it was still warm. Now I will be cutting through this, and the cornbread itself came out good, but I did not like the texture of this cornmeal. I preferred the refined cornmeal. However, you too can try this. Please remember to give the video a like, and see you soon in another video.